Right, so this is what it looks like so far. This corner is situated. The reason I did this kitchen swap is because my husband fixed that plug right behind the coffee maker. So it now works. So that's where I always wanted my coffee maker. And we plan on putting some floating shelves right here where this black wrought iron thing is. And it's got all my coffee accoutrements on there. And there's for my pods, that's where they go. And then here is my coffee cups, my water cups, my tea cups, and my tea at the top there. I don't drink as much anymore. Here's where the knife rack goes. And I didn't show this before, but here is the drawer with all of my knives and stuff for slicing and temperature probes and all that good stuff. And of course, here's my stove. And then I'm coming over here to this side. Here's all my cooking utensils. I'm gonna plan on chopping stuff next to the stove on the other side. That's why the knife block's over there. And I plan on getting some wooden cutting boards. Right now I have plastic and I'm trying to get out those. But here's the spice rack and the oils and the vinegars and the Marsala wine and all that good stuff, the balsamic vinegars and the oils for Asian cooking, and there's soy sauce and amino acids. There's my oils currently. I have to make room to put my olive oil because I'm out of olive oil, so I need to get some of that today. But yeah, and here's the drawer. So there's all my spices besides the ones in the cupboard. The ones in the cupboard are bigger, so these are all the ones that are accessible. And I just love this organizer. This is an expandable organizer. I have two of them. They both fit in my other drawer, but I give one to my daughter. She's moving out, so that's that. Okay, now project for today or the next 2 days is, I'll close the cupboards here, is getting my KitchenAid mixer set up over here to this section. Probably put it back against the wall and just pull it out when I use it. And I have to figure out what to do with all of this stuff over here. Again, our plan is to put some floating shelves right there to put the cookbooks on, but all the cookbooks go from here to the back of the wall, and I need to whittle through them. So if any of you would like a cookbook, I'll show which ones I'm getting rid of. Just let me know and I'll send them to you. No problem. No problemo. And these stained glass, the lighthouse my husband made when he was in high school in art class, and the big iris, it was made by my sister-in-law. And I have another one that I would like to put over. My sister made, she's into stained glass, and she made me a coffee one. And I would like to figure out a way to put that and hang it in here by my coffee station. I think that would look really cute. So that's all for now. I'm not gonna show you the sink. I have a few odds and ends in the sink right now. But yeah, so wish me luck. I'm continuing to organize the kitchen. That corner won't be really done until I get the floating shelves. So yeah, that's my next option right there. And if you're wondering what I have in these cupboards right here, I have to clean them out. But this tall one has a recycling center in it, a pull-out drawer. And then it's got a shelf above it. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna put right there. And in that top cupboard right there, I have sacks, which, yeah, I don't know why I have sacks. And it has some medicine that I need to just go through and just whittle it down to one container and maybe put that container above the fridge because there's nothing up there. So I have more place to put my baking supplies. And the whole plan is to get this section over here by the window as a baking center. So I hope to get like a marble slab to put on top of my granite, or maybe big enough to roll stuff out on, because my granite is tile, that granite there. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Don't know how far I'll get. I have to go get my grandson. Talk to you guys later. Bye.